Alright, welcome back. Here is some Mandalorian armor that I sell on my website, 3dbeowulf.com. This is the Djarin ab and chest armor, all painted in the Beskar paint. Same paint used in the Mandalorian TV series. This is 3D printed with PLA Plus, with the Beskar paint, with the gloss clear coat. Like I said, these are on my website, 3dbeowulf.com. I have the painted version, and then I will be having listed the raw print one, so if you want to paint it yourself, if you'd want to make this be a whole different color than Beskar armor when you're building a Mandalorian cosplay, you don't want to be a Djarin, you want to be somebody else. This is resin printed in the center. And the really cool thing is there is a tab, and then on the back this lines up when you're installing this on your cosplay to know exactly where you want it to be lined up, because when you look at it you're like, where does it go? And that's really nice. So when you're doing like the Velcro or however you're planning on mounting it, it is on there. These are made to order, so give 2 to 3 weeks to when it ships when you place the order, which I think is super fast. But this paint looks really cool. It has really good shine to it, little weathering on it to give it to like that it's been used. And also too, I do jetpacks, the Djarin helmets, Bo-Katan, you name it. If you don't see it on the website, send a message on 3dbeowulf.com. Tell me what you're looking to want me to make for you. I could then tell you if I can or can't do it, and then I'll put a quote and then a time frame of when I could have it done. So definitely hit me up there if that is something you're looking to get done on 3dbeowulf.com. But I figured to share this because people always want to have Mandalorian costumes, and the cool thing is with having a lot of these pieces all raw where they're not painted, then you can paint them and really have a one-of-a-kind thing. Or if you just want to be a replica of Djarin, then I'm your #1 shop to go to. So check it out, 3dbeowulf.com. This is the way.